Bay windows are a beautiful feature that can add character, light, and space to any home, especially in Clinton Township, where the blend of urban and suburban aesthetics creates a perfect setting for these architectural gems. However, like any part of your home, bay windows can face issues over time that can affect both their functionality and appearance. Here are some common bay window problems homeowners in Clinton Township might encounter, along with tips on how to fix them. Water leaks and moisture damage. One of the most common problems homeowners face with bay windows is water leakage. Due to their unique structure, bay windows are more susceptible to water penetration, particularly where the window meets the exterior wall. Over time, water can seep into the window frame, leading to rot, mold, and even structural damage. How to fix it? To prevent or fix water leaks, start by checking the window seals and weather stripping for any wear or gaps. These seals should be intact to keep out moisture. If the seals are damaged, replacing them is an easy and affordable solution. It's also important to inspect the exterior caulking around the window to ensure it is still doing its job. If you notice any cracks, re-caulk the window to seal out moisture. For more severe cases, you may need to replace rotting wood or even the entire frame. Condensation between the panes. Condensation forming between the panes of your bay window is a sign of a broken seal. This can occur in double-paned windows, which are designed to create an insulating barrier. Once the seal is compromised, moisture can build up inside the glass, causing fog or condensation between the panes that can obscure your view. How to fix it? In most cases, the solution to this problem is window replacement. A professional can remove the damaged glass and install a new sealed unit. While this might be an expense up front, it is a worthwhile investment for improving your home's energy efficiency and appearance. In some cases, a defogging service can be used, but replacing the glass unit is the most permanent solution. Sagging or misaligned windows. Another issue with bay windows is sagging or misalignment, particularly in older homes or in windows that were improperly installed. When the window structure sags, it can affect the functionality of the window and the appearance of your home. How to fix it? If your bay window is sagging or misaligned, it's essential to have a professional inspect the window's frame. Often, the supporting brackets or the frame itself can become weakened or damaged. The solution might involve reinforcing the frame or even replacing it to restore proper alignment. This is not typically a DIY job, as the weight of the window requires careful handling to avoid further damage to the surrounding wall and structure. Drafts and energy loss. Bay windows, particularly older ones, can be a source of drafts, leading to energy loss and higher utility bills. Gaps around the window frame or worn-out insulation can allow cold air to seep in during the winter months or hot air during the summer, making your home uncomfortable and increasing heating and cooling costs. How to fix it? To prevent drafts, start by checking the insulation around the window. If the insulation is old or inadequate, replacing it will help improve energy efficiency. You can also inspect the weather stripping and seals, replacing them as necessary to ensure a tight seal. Adding heavy curtains or thermal blinds can further help to regulate the temperature inside your home. Frame rot and decay. Wooden bay windows, while beautiful, are susceptible to frame rot and decay, especially in Clinton Township's humid and rainy seasons. If the wood becomes exposed to moisture for too long, it can deteriorate, leading to a compromised structure and even potential insect infestations. How to fix it? If you discover rot in your bay windows frame, you'll need to address it quickly. Minor rot can be treated by scraping away the decayed wood and applying a wood hardener. For more extensive damage, the rotting section of the frame may need to be replaced entirely. It's also important to regularly maintain the wood by applying weather-resistant coatings or paints to protect it from moisture. Dirt and streaks on the glass. Bay windows are often larger than standard windows, which means they can accumulate more dirt, dust, and streaks. While this might seem like a minor problem, the size and shape of bay windows can make cleaning them difficult. How to fix it? To keep your bay window sparkling, use a soft cloth and a mild glass cleaner to avoid scratching the surface. For hard-to-reach areas, consider using a window cleaning extension pole or hire a professional window cleaning service to get the job done safely and effectively. Conclusion: bay windows are a stunning feature that can elevate your home's curb appeal and interior design. However, like any other component of your home, they require regular maintenance to keep them in top shape. In Clinton Township, the combination of seasonal weather changes and local conditions can sometimes accelerate common bay window problems. By addressing these issues proactively, you can extend the lifespan of your bay windows and continue to enjoy their beauty and functionality for years to come. If you're unsure about how to address any of these problems yourself, it's always best to consult with a professional window repair expert to ensure the work is done correctly.